Hi everyone. If you're new to macOS and having trouble finding the Applications folder, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to share every single way you can find and access your Applications folder on a Mac. The first method works on almost every version of macOS. First, open up Finder. Then, go up to the Go menu and scroll down until you see the option for Applications. Click on that. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Shift-Command-A. And just like that, you're in the Applications folder. Method number 2. Let's add the Applications folder to your Finder sidebar for easy access. To do this, go to Finder, then click on Settings. In the Sidebar tab, make sure you check the box next to Applications. Now, the Applications folder will appear right there in your sidebar, so you can access it anytime you want. If you haven't customized your dock yet, by default, there's an icon called Launchpad. Click on it, and Launchpad will open up a window showing all the apps located in your Applications folder. The interface might look a little different depending on your OS version. I'm running macOS Tahoe, so my Launchpad looks like this. Next up, try using Spotlight. Just hit Command-Space to bring up the search bar. Then, type in the keyword Applications. In the results, look for the folder named Applications inside Macintosh HD. Click on that, and you're good to go. And the final method. Go back to the Go menu, but this time select Go to Folder. Here, you want to type the path. /Applications. You'll see a suggestion pop up right below it. Click that, and it will take you straight to the Applications folder. So, those are the most common and easiest ways to find your apps on macOS. Make sure to check out my other macOS tutorials for beginners in the playlist linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.